What is up there, everybody? Casper Trader back here with another video. And to be honest, I want to let you guys know I was actually excited about today. I was actually pretty sure I was going to end up in the profit today because what I'm currently have options in is GoPro and Snapchat and TQQQ. TQQQ, that's where I lost most of my money, like the $450 I had. Yeah, well, that's basically what happened with it is I bought it and then it just died down because I had no idea what I was doing. I bought one that was like way out of the money and it's gonna expire worthless tomorrow. I can't do anything about it. I can't sell it for the 3 cents because Robinhood only allows you to sell in 5 cent increments for certain stocks, and this is one of them. I also today I was pretty certain about Snapchat. It was showing a consistent downtrend. And if you look at the charts, it shows like every time um, where it tries to go up a little, like it tried to go up a little, ends up falling. It tries to go up a little, it ends up falling. Went up a little, ends up falling. And now it's trying to go up a little. And this is where I was hoping for it to fall. Where was this today? I think it was around here. I was hoping for it to fall more, but it ended up just spiking up like in the middle of nowhere. It went up by like, how much is this? Let's see. That's like 4%. And then I'm going up like 4%, which means my options go down by 20%. But this is due, this option expires, I think, yeah. Um, it expires January 11th, so I still have a lot of time. But it's gonna decrease in value. According to the Greeks, where's all this stuff? Yeah, options. So, yeah, it says that basically every day it's gonna fall in approximately 0.75 cents in value. 0.75 cents. Does that make sense? Horror. um, by basically, if you look at the theta, that's how much it falls like every day because of the diminishing value when a stock. Oh, sorry. When a stock, every day a stock gets more and more closer to the expiration date, so it gets more and more worthless. Basically, bam. All right, quick definition. Yeah, so it's gonna be a little less worth it, but I'm hoping for it to just continue the downtrend, and I'd be happy with taking just 11 cents from this $1 profit. I'd be happy with it. If it fell to like $5, then I think I'd for sure get the 11 cents. It was around 11 cents today also, but there wasn't a lot of people buying, but there's a lot of people selling at that price. So I ended up not selling there because it was too much competition and there wasn't enough buyers. Um, but GoPro really shocked me. Like I bought in most of my shares. Where does it say? I bought in most of my GoPro shares at. It says 12 cents and one at 8 cents. Yeah, most of them at 12 cents. I was trying to sell today at 11 cents or 12 cents in the beginning of the day. What? No, that was yesterday. My bad. Yeah. But it didn't sell, of course. I don't know why. Can you guys tell me why, like, I can't sell my options? Is it because, like, there's not enough volume? But this is, like, a big company. GoPro, Snapchat. Yeah, so I thought there was going to be a lot of volume for them. All right, so basically, this expires tomorrow. And I'm just crossing my fingers, hoping. I was looking at the NASDAQ futures. They're going down, and it looks like they're either going to bounce at this area where they are at. It's going to continue to uptrend. Or hopefully, like I'm thinking, it's probably going to fly back down to its recent lows where it just like crashed down lately. Which is probably going to make GoPro fall also. So if GoPro falls to around this area, like the 40 cent area, I mean $4 area, I'm probably gonna be able to pull out like let's see the Greeks. So the delta is every dollar it goes up, it loses 7 cents. So if it goes down, it loses 7 cents. So it's not gonna fall a dollar, it's gonna fall half a dollar. So let's say 3 cents. Oh my gosh. Nah, I'm not even getting my money back on this. That sucks. Alright. Can you guys give me some tips? Like, should I buy longer term or shorter term options? Because when it just goes up and against my direction one day, then the rest of the time I just can't get my money back. Alright, so I'm just hoping for us to hit 4 or 5 cents and I'd be happy selling there. Yeah, and that's basically it, guys. We went from $800 down to $25. How good does that feel? Yeah, it's gonna last longer than I thought it would. Should have just stuck to what I knew. I was swing trading from $500 to 800. Made it all the way there within like 2 months, but then I just decided to try options, which screwed me over. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you have anything to say to me, any tips, any suggestions, please just comment down below. I'd happy to hear them. And that'd be all for today. Hope to see you happy tomorrow, and hope this portfolio goes up.